In this guide, we're going over how you can enhance weapons here in the Forge. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, enhancing your weapons obviously will increase the base damage and unlock rune slots. And to do this, you just need to make your way over to this enhancer NPC in the main hub for any major island and just place your weapon in this section, and then of course use golden essences to upgrade it. Now these essences drop from enemies like skeletons, rogues, goblins, stuff like that. So essentially go ahead and do that, and you're going to want to aim to upgrade your weapon to at least +3 first, since this will unlock your first rune slot. Upgrading past +3 can fail, which can lower or damage the weapon if you don't use protection, so just keep that in mind. But once you of course unlock a rune slot, you can add runes by going to this rune maker NPC, selecting your weapon, choosing the rune, and applying it using coins. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.